Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Goa Foundation filed this petition saying that there has been a violation of the order of 2015 because the retaining wall continues being there, and they asked for further direction that this particular wall should be demolished forthwith. Now, the matter was argued before the Honorable High Court, and it was pointed out that non-removal of the retaining wall was not on account of any defiance to the order of the High Court, but was rather in compliance of the order of the High Court itself. What was the issue is, if you know, retaining walls are basically built to prevent soil erosion. Now the High Court direction of 2015 was that if you have to remove these structures, it should be removed in such a way that soil erosion should be prevented. Therefore, the GCZMA thought that if this particular wall is removed, it will amount to soil erosion and affect the entire beach stretch. So they took an opinion from the Jal Shakti Bhavan, which is an expert body, to find out what will be the effect of removal of this retaining wall. The Jal Shakti Bhavan had inspections, and their experts decided that the removal will be fatal to the environment because it will not only affect the shoreline along the Marriott side but also across the river Vere side, and that would be environmental disaster. So when the matter came up before the High Court felt that it was actually Goa Foundation was raising a storm in a teacup. If they are environmentalists, then they should not ask for removal of that retaining wall, which they were doing with all seriousness. So the court said that there is nothing wrong if the retaining wall continues, and the petition came to be dismissed rather.